Good morning, my friends. I want to show you guys who doesn't know how to magnetize a screwdriver. I will show you how easy it is, and it's very convenient if your screwdriver tip is magnetized. So I took here 4 screwdrivers out of my toolbox that is not magnetized, and we're going to test it quickly. I've got a couple of screws there. See, nothing happened. None of them is magnetized. And I've got a small one here. So all what you do is, if you take a magnet, any magnet, the stronger the better, but this is a small speaker. Okay, let's take this one first. Doesn't matter. Okay, so what you do is, the metal structure, the molecule structure of the metal is, in layman's terms, like steel wool. It's meshed up like that in all directions. So what you want to do is take that molecules and straighten it up. So you put it there and just pull it off from your tip, come back, put it on the tip and move it forward and keep on moving for a distance, otherwise it will disturb the molecules again. So you can do it 4 or 5 times. Okay, and then it will be magnetized. Very convenient. You see, it's now magnetized, so you can lift up a screw that is in a difficult position, or what the case may be. So let's take, for instance, Phillips. Okay, so you will see the Phillips is not magnetized as well. So let's do the same. And if you bump the screwdriver over time, it might lose its magnetization. So you can just do it over again, but it should last now for years. Okay, let's see. You can see. Okay, now why I took this one, for instance, this is a Phillips point. So you see, it can handle now very nice if you have to go into a difficult place. So this is the idea. So there's one more old screwdriver. Just do it one more time. Remember to take it straight off, move it away, and come from the back side to ensure that the molecules go all in a straight line. Again, about, if I can enlarge my explanation, is like a brush, a toothbrush. All the hair is in one direction. That's what actually happened there, but on molecule level. So you can see there it is magnetized. Very nice. So I know most of you guys will know that, but maybe there is some guys that didn't know it, so it's just an idea. Okay guys, so thanks for checking, and hope you help it out, and it will stay like that for years to come. And remember, if you bump it, if it gets bumped for a lot of times over a long period of time, it may disturb the molecules, and you can just do it over again. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and hope you find it interesting. Bye bye.